welcome. In today's video, I'm going to take 3 different thrift store finds and make them over to fit my kitchen. So come along with me as I work on this upcycle project. I found 4 glasses and a glass pitcher on 2 different shopping trips. I'm going to take and marry them together by using a monogram. The monogram is just vinyl that I cut out using my Cricut machine. After cleaning the glass really well with alcohol, I just placed the monogram stencil on the glass and then etched it using a etching medium. If you're interested in seeing how to etch on glass, I have a more detailed video. I'll leave a link to that up above. But you want to apply a generous coat of the etching material. Brush it in different directions for 5 minutes. Then you want to let the etching paste sit on the glass for at least 10 minutes before washing off. Next, I found these little tin plates at a garage sale for just a couple of dollars. So I'm just going to personalize that again with some, this time, permanent vinyl. These makeovers do not have to be extensive or take a long time to personalize it for your decor. I didn't even paint the plate. I liked the color it was, but it being tin, it would have held the paint really well. For the last project today, I'm going to customize these little canisters. I like storing things in glass containers, especially food products. And glass, when you go buy it new, is pretty expensive. So when I find these, I'll pick them up. Again, I'm using the permanent vinyl to put on the canisters. doesn't take a lot of time or money to do some of these simple makeovers, but when the project is complete, you have a custom piece that is designed for your decor. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to do an upcycle project of your own.